Hello friends, today we learn how to make 12-volt power supply easy at home. For making this project we need some components. LM7812 voltage regulator, heat sink, 50 volt 1000 microfarad capacitor, LED, 1K resistor, 4 diode of 1N4007, 12012 transformer, PCB board, soldering wire, soldering iron. First make circuit diagram. Take 4 diode and make a bridge like this. Bridge used for AC to DC converter. Now connect capacitor like this. Now connect transformer. Now connect 1K resistor with LED, and finally connect voltage regulator. LM7812 has 3 pin, first in input, second ground and third is output. Now connect all components on PCB board using circuit diagram. Warning: this project work on 220 volt. May be dangerous, so be careful. Project is ready for your test. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.